Hindi ko alam na focus. Stop pushing in the eyes. Ano magkakado mo?
Kala mo ikaw lang is
AI generated din yung glasses ko. Yeah.
So may grado talaga yan.
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen your glasses.
So you can
Those
put
are cameras
you can put
also.
contact lenses kahit suot mo siya, no?
Yes.
I can screenshot it here.
Bored ka?
No.
Ay, talaga. So you're cheating in class? You're used to the
May crush
glasses?
sa'yo eh.
Why would I cheat?
Kaya
I got the brains.
I'd appreciate it lang if sabihan mo.
Like brains?
Para aware.
Brains? Sobrang daming brains.
Zombies, brains.
Are you a plant? Why? Wala lang. Because you look like one. Nalala ko tayo.
Ayan sa quiz niyo.
Yes. It's just that na-bother lang ako. Or maybe because I feel like everyone is trying to fit in here.
Okay.
Sa malaking group na to. So, when you open up to me, di ba may mga kwento ka sa akin about your boyfriend and how you explained yourself in front of us, nagdaanan mo siya. Then, the way you express your feelings, parang you know what you're saying. You sound like a girl with substance. Nagsasabaw ka lang talaga. Parang, I don't know if nagsasabaw-sabawat ka lang or sabaw ka talaga.
Which one? Was that the one yung outside? Yung everyone was like, easy naman, ganun?
I can't remember sabaw moments, but I want you to know also that if you're like that, that's totally fine. Because I don't want you to think also na because of that, ayaw na kitang maging kaibigan or whatsoever. You actually remind me of Ate Sugar. She's a close friend of mine, artista rin siya. I don't know if you know her. Her name is Ate Sugar Mercado. Basta she's older than me and she's so lutang talaga. Pero mahal na mahal ko siya and I always hang out with her. Una na ako na trigger, but now actually, since naalala ko Ate Sugar sa'yo, parang maba yung pasensya ko and I feel like I learned also na kailangan ko talaga intindihin bawat isang tao dito sa bahay ni Kuya.
Yung sa time na nandun tayo lahat, yung kino-confront nila ako about yung Charlie. Everyone was like, easy naman. I also heard you say that.
Yeah. Actually, yung time na hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung start nun. Kasi nanggaling ako kay Charlie. I talked to Charlie like that time. But, pero yung time na yun, parang I think they were talking about you.
Yeah.
Tapos parang yung nag-ano ka. But actually that time, feel ko misunderstanding that time. Hindi naman yung ginudge kita na gano'n ang tao.
Hindi, feel ko na misunderstanding ako. Kasi di ba when I said na, wait lang, paano napunta dito? And everyone thought naglutang ako noon.
But
What I explained was like, paano napunta dito? I was serious. And then, parang inisip nila na lutang-lutang. Kaya na
Yeah, I mean like, yun lang, may mga moments na sa bawa and lutang and things get serious, nakita ko na you think straight. So parang hindi lang nag-match sa akin yung mga sabaw moments mo. But then again, I also have some sabaw moments. It's just that I just don't like people to look at you na you're just beautiful because wala kang no-brainer or whatsoever. But I know you're not because when it comes to expressing your feelings and sharing a story, you know what you're saying and you know what you're doing. So yun lang. I just wanted to share it to you. Pero I was giving you time and space lang kasi feeling ko last minute lang nangyari. Siyempre, ikaduha mo sa Esnir. You know, you were emotional with Ivana also kasi naging close kayo. So, parang ayoko mo nang kausapin ka for a while kasi ayoko mo nang dumata. But now I feel like parang
it's okay naman.
Right time.
Actually, I appreciate yung pagkasabi mo tsaka na you opened it up to me. Kasi mahirap din mag-open up ng parang nabibigatan ka with someone na nakasama mo lagi.
Yeah, ako naman I told you rin naman, I think the couple of few days, mga unang araw na date na,
Nandito pa si Mavi ata.
Welcome to my vlog.
Hindi ko na nga maalala, the days you're so long, I get irritated fast, pero ang bilis na mawala kasi dumadaan lang. But, yeah, I just wanted to let you know that. But,
honestly, outside, for me parang ngayon lang ako naging yung sinasabi nilang lutang.
exactly, yun nga. Parang,
I never
that's
felt...
what I kind of observed and noticed na That's why yung mga lutang-lutang mo, like, I don't know if that's who you are as a person or not. But I feel like you're not because the way you express yourself, it doesn't match like how lutang you are. So, dun lang ako na parang na ano. But then again, I feel like nandito tayo sa loob ng bahay na to. It changes us. It changes how we
Correct.
behave, how we communicate with other people.
Yeah. So, nung kinonfront nila ako,
Share the life
and then, like, parang nakita ko sa kanila na, like, they also said na, parang they don't know kasi kung kailan ako serious or ano, kasi mukhang ganun.
Yeah.
So, like, ever since then, parang mas naging serious na ako, parang pinakontrol ko na yung, parang ganun, kasi feel ko lang.
Honestly, you don't really have. Napansin ko rin kasi na bumaba yung energy mo and everything. Feel ko nangangapa lang din tayo lahat. But you know, nung first few days mo, yung mga first days mo dito, sabi ko sa'yo, ang saya-saya mo dito kasi it's your first time like choosing yourself. You can keep doing that naman.
Yes.
Siguro, now lang talaga, we're just not so familiar with each other. So,
Yeah.
I feel like everyone is nakakapapa, everyone is playing safe. Even I'm playing safe, but it doesn't mean that I'm freaking everything. But, syempre, observing everyone and I still wanna show respect sa mga tao and boundaries kasi hindi ko pa masyadong kilala. And you rin naman, ikaw yung unang housemate actually yung kilala ko tuwing nagkatok-katok tayo. But, you know, I'm trying my best. And I feel like we're all trying our best here. So, I just wanted to open up para lang mawala yung tension. And I don't want you to overthink things na if galit ako sa'yo or whatsoever.
So far, wala naman ako naisip. I noticed din na you like to have your own space.
Kasi sanay din ako mag-isa. Parang, hindi ako sanay sa... I have a group of friends, but like, yung ganito kalaki. Iba-ibang personality. So overwhelming for me.
Sorry.
I thought I can handle it, but
Nahirapan ka.
yeah, I can't. Like, it's too much. And, though, challenge rin naman sa akin to and growth ko rin siguro as a person.
Yeah, that's good.
But, yeah, yun lang.
Share the life.
Ako, ayun, overthink ko din. Like what you said, madami ako in-overthink.
Yeah.
Isa doon is like, feel ko sobrang, ay, na-misinterpret